Fine, let me solve the problem number 8 here. Right. See, the question is what? A Sonali, right? Sonali and Priya are classmates. Sonali and Priya are classmates. Sonali completed her homework in 5/6 of an hour. 5/6 of an hour. Priya is 3/4 of an hour. So who was faster? That is what we need to find out. You just multiply with the 60. That is 1 hour means what? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? Let us go with that into 60. This into 60. Now simplify it. 6 ones are 6 tens are. So 5 into 10. So for 10 fives are 50. So now let it take 50 minutes. Right? To complete her homework. Now let us check out with this. So 4 ones are 4 15s are. That is 3 into 15. 15 threes are 45 minutes Priya took. So now the question is who was faster? So Priya was faster. Priya is faster than, right, she took less time. So that's what, faster than Sonali. Right, this is what we need to work, right?